Gen Z ruined my relationship with my parents because the other day I was leaving for a trip, so I wasn't gonna see my mom for a couple days. And I gave her a hug and I said, I love you, mommy. But I felt so gross after saying that word because of how Gen Z has changed the meaning of it. It's not a sweet way of saying mother anymore. No, it means some freaky stuff. But I don't even know if my mom is aware of the new meaning. So after I said that, I was just like, oh my gosh, I hope she didn't take that in the wrong way. But it's not just the word mommy. You can't say daddy either. What am I supposed to call my parents at this point? Should I just start going up to them and be like, what's up, gang? Like any other words that mean mom or dad have been ruined. I was in public when I said this too, and I could feel people giving me weird looks after saying it. Y'all act like you didn't call your mom mommy when you were a little kid. There should be nothing wrong with that word. Stop changing the meaning.